Ricky, another tough match awaits against Rudar Velenju. You won against Rudar 4-0 in the first match this season, but I'm sure this on Sunday will be a much tougher match.
Yes, it's always tough game against Rudar, and it's more also tough game because we play away, and will be difficult, of course, and we have to be prepared for this game, and of course we will get 3 points.
You keep scoring, you keep assisting, 5 assists, 6 goals already this season. How happy are you with your form?
I'm really happy. I'm really happy for my performance, for the team that have good performance also, and if I continue to help the team is really important for me and for the team, because I think the main important is the team, and if I continue to help, it's perfect for me.
What would you say is the story behind the success of you and of Olympia this season?
I think we changed a little bit the mentality. Every training we train hard like we are playing in the final, and in the end of the week we have these games, and we try to make the same thing that we train. And if you make the same thing, you will be great, because we train hard, we push a lot, we have a good atmosphere inside the dressing room, inside the field, we have good men inside, and it's top.
What does the team need to do to win on Sunday?
We have to be together, we have to have patience, we have to keep calm, because it will not be easy, and I know that in the end will be good for us, because we have to win this game. It's very important to get these 3 points against a good opponent also.
Okay, Ricky, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.